Hi folks, welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and today we are going to be drawing a parallelogram equal in area to a given triangle. So I will draw the given triangle in this place. So assuming we have a given triangle, this is our given triangle. Let's call it triangle ABC. Okay, now our aim is to draw a parallelogram equal in area to triangle A, B, and C. Now the first thing is to draw a perpendicular CD to the base AB from the apex. So we'll take our ruler at the base, then you draw a line perpendicular to the base running through the apex C. So this is the apex of the triangle. So I'll run a line perpendicular to the base, and then I'll call that point where the perpendicular crosses the base, call it D. And the next step is to bisect CD and extend the bisector to the left and to the right of E. So now we'll bisect this line CD. So all you need to do, widen your compass to more than half of the length of the line. Then you draw a large arc up and down. Then you draw an intersector to intersect the arc on both sides of the line. Then you draw the perpendicular bisector. So here we go. Then this will have the midpoint of this line. So the next step is you draw BF parallel to AG. So to AB. So while drawing a line BF, so from B to F, that will parallel to BF will be parallel to AG. So this is from A to G. So this is G. Let's call this G, and let's call this E. Let's call this. So we need a line parallel to AG passing through B. So we just need to put your set square on the line AG and draw a line, a parallel line. So it must pass through B. So we got into so you draw a parallel line. Now the last step is to extend this bisector to the right till it cuts that parallel line. Then you have a line F. So this BF, this parallel to AG. The next step is you taking ABFG. So this AB taking BF taking FG. So taking FG and GA. So this parallelogram ABFG is a required parallelogram. Thanks for watching.